Hello all, thank you for joining me today. The purpose of this demo is to tell you how we can quickly set up the search strategy or configure the monitor. When we say monitor configuration, it is all about product or drug search and how you want the results to be screened. So let me take you through monitor setup process. Now I logged into the Biologit MLM-AI tool, where if you can see on the left side, there is a feature called monitor. If you click on monitors, it will take you to the monitor summary page, and if you can see on the right side there's a button called add monitor. If you click on add monitor, then we can start the setting of the monitor. So here in the details section, I can add the drug name as a monitor name, Rabeprazole. Then monitor description, you can add anything. Here I would like to add ICSR monitoring. Then click on next button. It will take you to the search terms where you can set the synonyms, set up the synonyms for drugs as well as the key terms, user defined key terms. So let's enter rabeprazole here. It will auto populate all the key terms, all the synonyms from the dictionary. Then you can select all the synonyms or you can select few of the synonyms. So here I would like to select all and then add selected, and these will get added to the finalized list. So, and after this I would like to add user defined key terms. So here there's a toggle button. If you click on the toggle button, the key term box will be highlighted or enabled. So you can, this is a free text box. You can add any key terms. Here I would like to add liver failure or failure. Just type the key term and then hit the enter button. It will get added. These are the user defined key terms. Then click on next button. It will take you to the sources and search schedules. So here we have 5 sources databases. User can, select or deselect any of the databases as per the requirements. Then when it comes to the search schedule, we have weekly, daily, on request. You can select. I would go with the weekly schedule. Then on which day you want the results to be ready, you can select the respective day, Monday or Tuesday. Here I would like to select Monday. Then ETA for completion. This is a deadline, how many days you want the review to be completed. So you can set up the deadline as well. So this is about a weekly schedule. You can also set up the daily schedule similarly. So after this, you click on next button. It will take you to the team assignment and workflow settings. So team assignments, teams were already created from user management from here. So we already have teams for already created. So here I can select for abstract review. I can select specific team who can review the abstracts, and then I can select some other team who can perform the QC. So here I would like to select the same team names. You can select the different teams. Then when it comes to the workflow review settings, we have special situations, exclusions. These are the default sections which will be available on the abstract screening page, from where user can select the respective special situations as well as exclusions. These are also customizable. You can also add any customized key terms here. Lab abnormalities. When you hit the enter button, it will get added. Similarly for exclusions as well, you can add review article, maybe one of the exclusion criteria. Hit the enter button, it will get added. You click on next button, it will take you to the screening thing. This will help you to automate most of your review process. So here we have tag based screening, where if you can select automatic exclusion of tag animal in vitro, so it will exclude. If you select this option, it will exclude all the articles that are tagged with animal in vitro. So these tags are automatically done by the AI models. So similarly, suspected AE and so identifiable patients. So it will automate most of the review process. And then duplicates handling. So system, if you select this feature, system automatically detects the duplicates and excludes from the regular work, exclude all the duplicate articles from the regular workflow. Date search criteria. So the default date is entry date for Biologit MLM-AI. So in addition to that, users can also select a publication date, and also there is one more feature called, users can exclude the articles which are older than 60 days. And then keyword screening. So this we have already added user defined key terms in the section 2, under search terms. So if you select this feature, key terms screening or automatic inclusion of user keywords matches, this would include only articles that have user defined key terms, and the rest can be excluded automatically. Then notification, push status sync notifications. So if you select this feature, so what happens? It will send the status notification to the team members. So for example, if the review has been completed and moved to the completed tab, then the same status change notification will be sent to the respective team members. Then we have one more feature called email article. This will be available on the abstract screening page, from where the user can select email address from the drop down list and send the respective article to the respective team members. So this is all about monitor setup. After completing this, we can click on save button. Then it will take you to the monitor summary page, where you can see your monitor and other details. So if you want to see your monitor, so this is the monitor. You can use the search box here and then type, and then you will get the monitor which you have created just now. So you can also edit the monitor by clicking on this pencil icon. You can also copy the monitor. If you want to apply the same setting to some other monitor, you can copy this monitor and you can toggle up this button in order to disable the monitor. So these are all the options. So after creating this, this is about, this monitor setup is used, or it will automate your daily or weekly searches. So what if you wanted to run searches for particular date range? So for that also we have one feature. If you click on reviews on the left side, uh, on the right side there is another option called add review. So if you click on add review, there is on demand. This is called on request or ad hoc. And this is used for ad hoc or on request searches. So select on demand, then select the monitor which you have created just now, which is Ramiprazole. So select this and select the date range, whatever you want, the range. Maybe I would like to select one, August 1 to maybe 17th. Then click on submit button. So the review was submitted, and then where is my review? So if you click on processing, you can see the review, still in processing stage. The Rabiprazole is in still processing stage. After a few minutes, it will be moved to in progress tab. So after a few minutes, it will be moved in progress tab. As you can see, there are many searches which were already created. So similarly, you can also see the results for Rabiprazole. So this is all about monitor setup and adding the ad hoc reviews. So this would automate all your weekly and daily searches and would save a lot of time. So thank you for watching this demo. Let me know if you have any questions. I will be happy to answer all of your questions. Thank you. Thank you for watching this demo.